Want your most important updates front and center? Prioritize your following Bluesky within a few minutes. But first, make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Justin from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to enable prioritize your followers on Bluesky app. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, tap on the Bluesky icon on your device. If you are not logged in, go ahead and sign in first. Once you are on your main page, look for the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Tap on it. In the menu that opens up, select Settings to dive into the customization option for your Bluesky experience. Inside the Settings menu, scroll through the option and click on the Content and Media. Here, click on the Thread Preferences to find your Prioritize Your Follow section. Once you have found the Prioritize Your Followers option, toggle the switch to turn it on. This will prioritize the posts from the people you engage with the most, bringing them to the top of your feed. So this is how to enable Prioritize Your Followers on Bluesky app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.